In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the Autumn Pop preset and brush set for Lightroom. So if you're somebody who doesn't like to use Photoshop, you can also add fall tones using the Lightroom preset and brushes that I've included with this set as well. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that you followed the instructions to load the presets into Lightroom. Then what you're going to want to do is once you have the presets loaded, you want to make sure you're in the Develop module and you're going to have the image that you want to edit. You're going to click on the Autumn Pop base, and that's going to set the base tones for the fall images. Then you're going to go over to your adjustment brushes, and you're going to select which brush you want to use. So there are two brushes. So this is Autumn Pop 1, and we want to scroll down to the bottom of our brush panel, and we want to make our flow 80%. And this is going to brush on the tones, and we want to brush it over the foliage in the image. So we brush those tones on. Then we want to set our flow down to 20%. And now we're going to brush those tones over our subject. So that's going to add some of the tones into our subject. And so that's how easy it is to use. And if you want to build up the tones, you can put the flow back to 80%. And you can brush these over again, and it'll build up the tones here. You can also add a new brush. So you can click New, and then you can brush over the tones even more, and it's going to add more of those tones in. So you can build up these effects. So that is that brush. Let's go ahead and reset. So, and then there's also the second brush. So we're going to press Autumn Pop base. So we're going to set the base, and then we're going to use the second brush, and you do the same thing. So you're going to want to go and make sure that your flow is 80%. And we're going to brush over the foliage here. And this one's a little bit more orange in tone. So we're going to brush that over, and then we're going to set it down to 20%. And then we're going to add those tones into the rest of the image. And again, if you want to build up on this, you can just click New, and that's going to give you a new brush, and you can build up on the effects. So if you need to add more of those tones in, and you can even combine the brushes until you really get the colors that you want. So that is how you use the preset and the brushes.